gonna be a great day because it's Free Friday, y'all. We're back with another Free Friday. Hundreds and hundreds of free harmonica lessons right here on this YouTube channel. And today's Free Friday is piggybacking off of last week's Free Friday. Last week we did the two-note gliss. Right here. Right here, just two notes. Right there. This week, going out to the one and only Lisa Breslin. And I say only meaning only by request from my Patreon patron, Lisa Breslin. Thank you very much, Lisa. Thank you, Patreon. Keeping the dream alive, keeping these lessons free here on YouTube. By becoming a Patreon patron, you get a little bit more content over on Patreon out of me. And also, you're supporting the lessons. 25 cents a week for a free harmonica lesson. What's the worst that can happen? Here we go with a little demo. 2, 3, 4, and 5 note glisses. And welcome back to Free Fridays. All right, so we did 2-note glisses last week. This week we're going to handle 3, 4, and 5-note glisses. I'm going to give as many examples as I can, but really it's the same principle. It doesn't matter what hole you start or stop on. Now you can make it matter by picking the holes on the harmonica, the notes on the harmonica that relate to the chord changes. That will help a lot. But really, any combination of these notes will work anywhere on the harp. You're dealing with basically an open-tuned instrument. Speaking of tunes, we're in the key of F today on a B-flat harmonica. For those of you that don't have a B-flat harmonica, I apologize, but this is a pretty advanced lesson. If you've made it this far and you're good and you can get these kind of concepts down, it might be time to ask somebody for a B-flat harmonica for you. All right, let's start with 3-note glisses. Last week, we did this one. We went from one note down to another, up to the same note, and then down. So all a 3-note gliss is going to be is adding one more note onto that. So let's do that again. 2 draw, 1 draw, 2 draw, 1 draw, 1 blow. Start slow and then speed it up. it started on a 2-draw and then it ended on a 1 blow. So say I was going to the 4 chord, I could put it in there. All right, you see where I'm going with this. So that's just an example of one 3-note gliss. You can make any 3 notes on the harmonica into a 3-note gliss. So right there, we went from 2-draw to 1-draw to 2-draw to 1-draw, and then down to 1 blow. What if we just picked a different last note than 1 blow? What if we picked 1-draw bend? Or what if I picked 2 blow? Or I could jump up to another note. What about 4 blow? Or 3 draw? So there you go. So you can just put any note on the end of it, or you could put a note on the beginning of it. What if I started on 2-draw double bend? So now I'm just going up from 2-draw bend to 2-draw, 1-draw, 2-draw, 1-draw. I could put another note on the end of that one. Or 2 blow. That was 1 blow. Right? Or up to any note. It doesn't have to start on a bend. It could start on a 2 blow. So I can take any single gliss I want and start it on a bend note, start it on a blow note, end it on a bend note, end it on a blow note. Any note on this harmonica will work over just about any change in a blues. So this time, I'm going to start on the 3-draw and give myself a 3-note gliss. So I'm going 3-draw, 2-draw, 3-draw, 2-draw, 1-draw. It's only 3 notes. Now I'm just going to add a blow note. We'll do 2 blow. Let me slow it down. I could put any note I want at the end of it, 2-draw double bend. Nice little flat 7. We're great coming out of the 1 chord into the 4 chord. Right? What if I put a little bend on the top of 3? 2-draw, 3-draw, 2-draw, 1-draw, and then 2-draw double bend. Put it together. Slow it down. You know, William Clark was really good at playing these things slow and making them still sound good. Like I said last week, the temptation is to try to rush it. Something like that. You don't have to swing your head wildly or move the harp in any different direction to get these things. You'll see guys doing that. You don't need to do that. Just first get it nice and slow. It sounds great slow. Listen to William Clark. Listen to Little Walter doing it, right? A lot of times they're playing it really slow, especially Bill Clark, right? again, 3 draw, 2 draw, 3 draw, 2 draw, 1 draw, and then another note, 2 blow. 2 draw double bend on the end. 1 blow on the end. It'd be a nice ending to a blues song. So there you go. So there's 2-note, 3-note, and 4-note glisses. Now you can move them anywhere around the harp. I could start on 3 draw, go up to 4 draw, down to 3 draw, down to 2 draw, and then land on another note. Or land on 3 double bend. Or 4 blow. Slow it down. Or 2 blow. Or all the way down to 1 draw. I can do it as an arpeggio. I can take a 3-note chord and just arpeggiate and gliss like that. Do the same thing on the 4 chord. Little 3-note glisses. Same thing on the 5 chord. Anywhere on the harp. You can do it up top. So that's a little 4-note gliss. 8 draw, 7 draw, 8 draw, 7 draw, 6 draw, 6 blow. Do that anywhere. I think that's a 7-note gliss. Thank you all so much. I'll see you next Friday. Stay tuned for the credits. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in to Free Fridays right here on YouTube. Subscribe today. Click the subscribe button for hundreds of free harmonica lessons. If you like what I'm putting down and you'd like to support the cause, go the extra mile, be sure to visit my Patreon page. Patreon patrons, thank you very much. You're making these lessons an absolute priority in my life. No matter how busy I get, a free lesson happens every Friday. For as low as $1 a month, that's 25 cents a lesson, you can become a Patreon patron. If you're doing a little better and you can donate more, that's great. Every time you become a Patreon patron, you're helping somebody else out there that doesn't have a credit card, that doesn't have $1 a month, to continue to get free harmonica instruction and much, much more. Remember, we got product reviews here on this channel. We do videos on addiction and bipolar disorder. We got blues stories. We got performance videos and everything right here on Jason Ricci's YouTube. Subscribe today. I'd like to thank Honer Harmonicas, and I'd like to thank Blue Moon Harmonicas, making custom parts for any harmonica that you might have at home. Blue Moon has got you. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, pedals, amplifiers, microphones, you name it, much more. Right here out of Louisiana, the Lone Wolf Blues Company is bringing you the best in customer service for almost any kind of amplified blues harmonica needs that you may have. Speaking of amplifiers, Harp Gear amplifiers, check them out. The very best Harp Gear, right out of Ocala, Florida. I got a website, www.mooncat.org. Check me out on mooncat.org. I got tour dates happening all over the place. I'm going all over the country this year, playing tour dates with J.J. Appleton, with Damon Fowler, with J.P. Soares, with my own band, with Joe Crown, all kinds of people. www.mooncat.org. T-shirts, lesson information, all of that. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. We do this every single Friday, and then every now and then I throw you some more stuff right here at Jason Ricci's YouTube. A Mooncat, love and appreciate all y'all. Thank you.